is, don't you?
Oh, I'm performing now.
Are you ready? Let's get your hands out of your mouth. Okay, here it comes.
This is not a nipple.
Is that good? Do you like your cereal? No, not your hands. Let's try some more cereal. Oh, is that yummy? He actually is doing okay with it.
He's chasing the fingers.
Yeah. Oh. Let's go in the mouth. What do you think? Do you like that? Oh.
Can you just put it on my hands?
Yeah. We'll just dip your hands in it. No need for spoons. Do you like that? What do you think? I think it's going to take us forever to finish this tablespoon. No, don't spit. I think he kind of likes it.
Is this?
Oh.
No.